Hello everyone, I'm SQLite and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 12 part 2. And here this is the get post function, and in here we need to read the data from the SQLite database and return it as a list of posts. Okay guys, we have to close this SQLite database in here. SQLite database.close. Okay guys, in here we need another object of SQLite database. Here the SQLite database is equal to this dot get readable database. And now in here we need using the SQLite database dot raw query, and here we need to select all from the table name. We have the table name in here, table name by we have the ID column. Okay guys, and the second parameter should be null. Okay, here is the cursor, and now in here cursor. Guys, and here we need a list of posts, and create a list of posts. And here the post list is all new array list. Okay guys, and here we need to check if the cursor dot get count is bigger than 0. Now in here let's move to first, and here we need the object of the post class. And now in here post does set ID and cursor not get int. And the 0 column is the ID, and post set title cursor dot get string. The second column is title, and now in here. Okay guys, and here post list dot app the post, and now in here we can return the post, the list of the posts. Okay guys, now this function is finished, and in here in this function store one post, and we need another function to store the list of posts. We need to create public boolean at list, or we can use from a post. This function should be at post, and then here we need a post, a list of posts, a list of post, and here is the list of posts, and then here we need a loop inti. And this at post. Okay guys, and using this function we can store a list of posts. Okay guys, in here we need to create a database open helper. Database open helper is new, equal to database open helper, and this should be context. We have the context, and remove this course, and in here instead of this post list we have the database open helper that gives post. I'm gonna rename this, refactor this name to post adapter. This should be post adapter. Okay guys, now in here and post adapter we need to create another function to add the post. And here public void add post, and in here we need a list of posts. Here we have the post dot add all, and here we have the add all, and now add the post. And this dot post, and this post we are going to add this post, this new post. And now in here we can use from notify dataset change. Okay guys, and now it's finished. And in here main activity. Okay guys, and here we can use from news adapter dot add post, and now here is the list of posts. And this post should store in SQLite database too. And in here we have the database open helper dot add post. We have the post list, and this should be as post. Okay guys, now run the app. Now here is the app, and these data are loaded from the server, and I'm gonna close this app. Okay, and now turn off the Wi-Fi, and I'm open the app. Okay guys, and now these data are loaded from the device disk, from the SQLite database, and from the post table of the SQLite database. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna add some new posts to the database or to the server from here. And in here new title, and we need some text. Here are some text, and then here are the photos. I'm gonna choose this photo, and now submit. Okay guys, now we have this new post, and then here close the app, turn on the Wi-Fi again, and now here is the recycler. Okay guys, these data are loaded from the SQLite database. Okay, new title, and this post is the new post. Okay guys, this is the usage of SQLite database in an Android app, and how to make an offline mode for your online applications. Thank you for watching, and share the video.